A is for apple, red and round, crunchy and juicy, best fruit around. B is for banana, yellow and sweet, peel it and eat it, a yummy treat. C is for cherry, tiny and red, they look so cute in a fruit bowl spread. D is for dragon fruit, pink and bright, with tiny seeds, what a sight. E is for elderberry, small and blue, healthy and tasty for me and you. F is for fig, soft and sweet, a fruity snack that's fun to eat. G is for grapes, purple or green, the juiciest fruit you've ever seen. H is for honeydew, cool and light, perfect for summer, what a delight. I is for Indian fig from a cactus tree, a funny fruit that's new to me. J is for jackfruit, big and bold, spiky outside, golden inside gold. K is for kiwi, fuzzy and small, cut it in half, we'll eat it all. L is for lemon, sour and bright, makes your face pucker, what a bite. M is for mango, juicy and sweet, a tropical fruit that's hard to beat. N is for nectarine, smooth and red, so soft and tasty, enough said. O is for orange, round and fun, peel it and share with everyone. P is for papaya, orange delight, soft and yummy, take a bite. Q is for quince, yellow and rare, smells so nice in the autumn air. R is for raspberry, red and bright, a tiny fruit that's pure delight. S is for strawberry, sweet and red, eat it for breakfast with jam and bread. T is for tangerine, easy to peel, it's full of flavor, that's the deal. U is for ugly fruit, funny name, tastes like orange, kind of the same. V is for vanilla fruit from the bean, used for ice cream, so yummy and clean. W is for watermelon, big and cool, red and juicy, perfect for school. X is for seagull from far away, it's a watermelon, we love to say. Y is for yellow passion fruit, small and round, a tropical treasure, easily found. Z is for Ziziphus, sweet and neat, a tiny fruit that's fun to eat. Da 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 da.